Right, hello, welcome to a review of the 18-inch Dalek. This is the voice interactive one. That is the voice interactive Dalek. As you can tell on its chest there, that those little circles there, they are the sensors. And I keep dropping bits. Ignore me. Yes, they are the sensors. Yes, it is a big boy, isn't she? This one's my very first. Oh yes, the gun lights up. And there's a small LED in the Dalek, in that gun, and they are removable. Before I do this, there are two variations of this Dalek. There are two variations of this Dalek. Well, this variation is your stock standard bronze Dalek with the suckarm. Well, if people are lucky, you guys would have got the claw. But I've done the alternative, is I bought a stock standard bronze with the suckarm, and then later on in the year, I've had it since last year now, and I decided to buy the claw to go with the Dalek, so I can change it. I can have a display with the suckarm or the claw, but I prefer to have it with the claw. It's easy to pop off. It's easy to come off. Step one, you pull it off. And then step two is you put the claw in. There we are. Probably for the rest of the video, for the rest of the video, I think the claw will be put in. So now this is the assault Dalek variant. Anyway, yes, this is voice interactive. I need to get my notes ready because I wrote down all the commands. There we are. Right, this has two modes. It has the. Let's go through the remote control mode first. Oh god, that's the interactive mode. My bad. You just saw there the gun lit up. Saw there the gun light up, and the blue eye is on. Right, I'm going to bring this bit of wood back in, because then this will be. Oh god, and he dropped it for a second. He doesn't have much room to move. He doesn't have room to move. He doesn't have room to move. This poor Dalek, because it's massive. Oh yes, this is his remote control, and yes, I have labelled mine. Right. Unfortunately, my eye motor doesn't work on this one, but my head motor works. I saw a little movement. There you are. There you are. I could probably give you a little bit of movement, but I'm not going to move it anymore. Now let's go through the phases. Of course, you want to see its ID. It's good luck seeing its ID. Here comes the first phase.
We are the supreme beings.
Yes, we are the supreme beings. That's been taken from the. Where is it? Yes, that's been taken from the same chip.
You will make a good Dalek.
Oh, there's the second one. And that's a new one.
I must
Third one.
exterminate all other life forms.
There you go, the gun lit up. The gun lit up.
I need orders.
So that's another new one. Apparently you can't move the head while it's talking.
I obey.
That's the other one. I obey.
Orders received.
Orders received.
Superior Dalek multi-spectrum scanning now engaged.
Okay. That's down. That's another new one.
This unit has identified the Doctor.
There we are. Now I'm trying to get a zoom in shot of it talking with its ears out showing off.
Binary cardiovascular system detected.
There you go. There's the other one.
We are the
Okay.
supreme beings.
Okay, now we're back at the beginning. So I'm going to turn the remote off, and now I'm going to switch it to interactive. Now I'm going to switch it interactive. That green light just popped up, and the light is going red. And there you go. There's a clear view. There's a clear view. Here it goes. Unfortunately, my eye motor doesn't work. It'll take time for it to warm up because it has been in interactive mode for a couple of weeks.
Dalek unit status 100% efficiency awaiting input.
Okay, let me see. Let me get me here, can I? Yes, you see that light there? That's the green light, right? Let me see if I can do one of its commands without noticing. Dalek!
Yes.
Do you recognise the Emperor?
I obey. Memory banks engaged. The god of all Daleks.
There you are. That was one of the character recognitions. Okay. There's another one for the Dalek. Dalek!
Yes.
Talk!
Yes.
Talk!
Yes.
Oh god. Dalek!
Dalek motive unit is locked out.
Thank god. Okay. Dalek!
Yes.
State purpose.
Understood. I must exterminate all other life forms.
Yes, you can give it a number of commands. Let me see. Let's see if I can one. Okay, now let me see. Dalek.
Yes.
Speak.
I obey. We are the supreme beings.
There you go. And that's all you need to know about the 18-inch Dalek. Unfortunately, I bought mine off eBay. And my eye motor, when I first bought it, the head and the eye motor didn't work. But a week later, the head motor started to work. And I better change it back to RC just in case it'll stop. God, that was weird. Never heard that one before. Never heard that voice before. Right, anyway, yes. Yes, a week later, the head motor started to work. There we are. So, I recommend getting this Dalek and then buy the claw separately if you get the suckarm version. But it depends on your bowl joint. The claw is quite heavy. If you want the assault Dalek, means you can get the suckarm separately. There's no point of spending another £100 or something on another Dalek. You just get the accessories. Is that right, Mr. Dalek? Right. Yeah, this is 18-inch Dalek number 1. I got her for a bargain. And she is a big boy as well. He is a big boy. Right. Right, I shall now put you away, Mr. 18-inch Dalek, and I'll get 18-inch Dalek number 2, which I teased the controller video in the 12-inch Dalek second. I'll do it again. This is your clue. Which Dalek it is. Well, anyway, I better turn you off and get ready to put the other Dalek up. I'll catch you in another video.